Welcome back. We now start the roofing process. Carefully putting the roofing sheet in place. The first few sheets require much attention when laying them. Once you mess these up, you mess the entire roof. Once the first sheet is laid, the other pieces will just follow through. If you want to ask any question, just leave a comment and I will respond to it. If you are in Lusaka, Zambia and would like something similar, contact me using the information in the description.
I was driving to work in the morning. More traffic congestion and something got my attention. Capita, she was looking good. In my way, can't do like a shit. Him in the little palanga, let you shit. But I was dating, go high school. I just had a flashback. Can't be shakunuma. Now you look at our sweet memory.
Halfway done, doing some quality checks and control. The other half remaining. This is how the top looks. Looking okay? I continued laying down the sheets. The process looks easy but requires precision and attention, or else you might end up with a diagonal roof. Errors are inevitable. We leave an allowance for that, but they should be minimal. They shouldn't go beyond normal. Safety is number one priority. When handling iron sheets, a pair of hardware gloves might come in handy. It needs to be tight and secure so that it doesn't get blown off. We usually neglect wind loads in my country when constructing. This is because we don't usually get high velocity winds. But of late, the weather pattern has modified, so I'm sure we'll now start considering it. Hitting the nail on the head, literally. This is what I used for the floor of the poultry. It's a clay gravel type of soil and it compacts really well. Leveling everything up with a rake, it does the job.
Straight out the cafe.
Started compacting the soil. This is the item I used for the compacting. Just improvised. It's very effective and doing the job really well. Continued compacting the floor using my tool. This is how it looks, nice and compacted. No slab will be added for now. Trying to cut down on the costs, maybe later. Having done the floor, it was time to now put the wire mesh. I used two types of wire mesh, the chicken wire and the diamond wire. The chicken wire mesh went on first. It will be in the inner part because it's softer, and the main purpose of it is mainly to prevent wild birds and rodents. So I was just marking the chicken wire so that I can cut and secure it. So this will go on the outer part. It's hard and it would basically prevent larger animals from entering the poultry. Animals like cats, dogs and so on. The wire has been fitted on. Now time to move to the next step, which is the side iron sheets.
Man of the house and still mother of a child, I know.
I started fitting the sheets, just taking some measurements before cutting and fitting.
There will never be no other. Yes, happy Father's Day to my mother. I thought we was in love. I guess nenzeniga muchikondi kunami wana makisi ya onisi ya neka nimba gotiga nozi wandiwe gotiga that melody gives me sad memory. Lamela boy my regret, my regret, my regret. Mutima ubaba my regret, my regret, my regret. Nikavela nyimbo my regret, my regret.
So the sheets have been fitted in on both sides. The space left on the bottom there is for the footing. Before putting the footing, I went on and made the door out of some simple materials. So I just made a frame out of wood, then attached the recycled iron sheet. This is the door that will be fitted on that opening there. It was then put in place. Man's best friend was curious and wanted to try it out. Then moved on to the footing. I mixed up all the materials. This side had already been casted. Was using simple materials around for the flashing. For better results, I would have used the 200 by 25mm Fisher boards, but I wanted to cut down on the expenses. Pour in my mixture, spreading it evenly. After the footing, the coop is done, but we still needed some lighting. Did a simple wiring connection, tapped in some power, and we were good to go. Out the finished product, guys. Isn't it amazing? Added some polytap curtains. Looks amazing. You can contact me for any query. My information is down below. Thanks guys. God bless you. And don't forget to like, share and comment for more videos.